Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I finally received my iHerb ka parcel, and I actually told you guys in an earlier video where I talked about beginner level makeup products that I'm actually going to buy a couple of more makeup items. So I did that. I placed an order and it was an order placed right after I filmed that video. So it has been like around 10-12 days of me placing this order, and now finally I have it here in my hand. So I'm going to unbox it with you. I'm going to show you what I bought, and I'm also going to talk about how you can order from this particular site or app, which is iHerb, and how it works and what is international shipping, because I know that when it comes to international shipping and when it comes to import and taxes and all those things get complicated. और मुझे भी काफ़ी टाइम लगा था to figure out how this all works and how much money I have to pay and how much shipping charges I have to pay and things like that. So hopefully this video is going to answer all of those questions. So now I have placed you guys on floor because I want to show you this package. So basically this package has a couple of different things. It has a couple of makeup items as well as some self-care kind of things like my face wash, and it also has my baby's body wash and things like that. So it actually has a lot of things. So first thing first, iHerb is basically a site, or they also have an app, and I ordered this from my iHerb Wali app. So they actually have herbal things. They have got vitamins and they've got supplements, and also they have makeup items, makeup tools, beauty tools, and some skincare brands, etc. etc. They actually have CeraVe and international kind of brands also, and you can just go online and search. And as far as I know, they have got two main warehouses, one in USA and another one is in Japan or some place like that. Other than that, they do ship out to all different Arab countries. They ship out to India, and they ship out to Australia and USA and places like that. I'm not really sure that if it ships out to all different countries, but if you want to see, you can always Google it and check. I'm going to link the site down below for you if you want to check the site out. But for now, we're going to open this package and we're going to see that what I bought, and then we're going to come to shipment and taxes and all those things later. See, I'm a professional. The packaging is a little bit kind of like very seems like कि थोड़ा water damage हुआ हुआ है, so I hope that nothing is. Oh my god. So this is the part where I realized that there is something seriously wrong with the parcel. So yesterday I had to stop filming because when I opened it, it was a mess. Like I could literally see the CeraVe facial foaming wash just leaking in all the products, and everything was just drenched in face wash, and it smelled really bad, and it was just a horrible thing. I launched my complaint. They got back to me at night. They refunded me the CeraVe facial foaming wash, and because I sent them a couple of pictures of how the packaging looked, they actually refunded me the entire parcel. Their customer service is really good. They responded really quickly and they refunded me the money, so I'm happy with their service overall. So to begin with, what I bought, the first thing that I bought is actually a Baby Dove Surgery Skincare wash. It's a fragrance free baby wash, and I was really looking for buying this for a couple of places. I couldn't find it, so I bought it. The next thing that I bought are a couple of makeup tools actually, and I want to show you everything together. Like you can see how this looks. So I actually have a cloth and a sanitizer ready here to clean all the products before I open them all, although they are all being washed because they are literally all drenched in face wash. But you need to sanitize everything. Coronavirus is happening, guys. Take care of yourself and just sanitize everything. So the things that I actually bought, like the tools that I bought, like you can see, the packaging is a little bit broken, but I have got a fan brush, I've got a concealer brush, I have got a jade roller, and I want to talk about a couple of these things in my upcoming videos because some of these are from TikTok inspired and some of these are just the basic necessary things that I really wanted. And then I got a mini brush because I travel a lot and I really wanted something that's compact. And now coming to the face products, and yes, so the face products actually that I bought are a highlighter, and I talked about this highlighter in an earlier video also. And the other thing I bought was this bronzer, and again the packaging is damaged because of the water damage, or I must say face wash damage. So packaging, but the product itself is fine. I'm gonna look into the products later also. So here is the blush. I've got the Elf Wala brush. I've got the putty primer, again TikTok inspired stuff. Then I got a lip exfoliator because I really wanted that. The other thing that I bought is a eye pencil, which is here. It's a Wet n Wild white eye pencil. I've never used a white eyeliner pencil, but I just bought it because it was so cheap. The prices at iHerb are amazingly low. Like, I just couldn't find similar pricing anywhere else. Like, I must say that some of these products are actually half of the price of what you would find at a common retail store or at any other online shopping place. So the other thing that I bought is a Pipette Keys sunscreen. So this is basically, Pipette is a brand for kids, but you can also use this sunscreen. It's an SPF 50 sunscreen, fragrance free, and it's a mineral sunscreen. So I was really looking forward for this. So this entire order is actually around this single thing because I really wanted to buy this. I really wanted to try this. And again, we live here in Oman, and it is basically a desert area, so we have got just the really harsh sunlight over here. So sunscreen is something that I really want to start using with my child. So the other interesting thing, and this is actually something that I'm really happy about, are I sanitized the box yesterday also. That the sanitizer is here. The next thing that I bought, I'm going to show you in a while. Let me just clean them first. Yes, are a couple of lipsticks. Now all of these lipsticks, and basically all of these products, are basically not too expensive. I actually really wanted to buy lipsticks that are affordable but they are good quality. So I researched a lot and then bought these lipsticks. So this one is pink, this one is kind of a nude, this one is again kind of a nude, and this one is red. So I've not tested them out. I'm gonna test them out and then I'm probably gonna make a video. If you guys want to watch a video, do let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna test the products. The other thing that I bought is a loose powder. Now I told you guys in the video, the beginner level video, that I am actually looking forward for a good face powder. I don't use a face powder ever, but I've heard great things about the Fit Me Wala powder, so I bought this and we're gonna try it. So the next thing is actually something that, oh my god, is the CeraVe facial. I'm not gonna use this product, or maybe I'm not. I don't know. Like, I'm just not gonna apply this. I'm gonna see if, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but this is the product and this is the broken head of it. तो ये कुछ ऐसे आया था टूटा हुआ, जिसकी वजह से it leaked all over the box and things, but I got a refund of the products and I'm like, I don't have a very solid opinion, but I must say that at the end of the day, they refunded me the shipment cost also, which was great, and I'm happy about that. So now coming to the shipping and all of that part. So shipping was relatively not expensive. So iHerb ships basically according to the weight. So the amount of weight that you have in your parcel, उसके हिसाब से वो shipping charges होते हैं. So if your weight limit is less, then you have to pay a certain amount. So with iHerb, I will recommend you, if you are going to place an order, to switch between the products and see कि shipping कैसी बन रही है. ठीक है? So there are 3 modes of shipping available here. One is the local post of Oman Local Post. The other one was UPS, and there was one more that was, I guess, DHL. So I had to choose among the 3. So UPS was kind of in middle, Oman Post was the cheapest, and the third one was kind of expensive. So I chose UPS because the weight of my parcel was not being delivered by Oman Local Post, so I had to go to the other option, which was UPS. So UPS actually told me that they will deliver in around 10-15 days, and they actually delivered in 10 days, which is great. Other service was actually delivering me quite early. They were delivering me within a week, but the charges were high. So what happened was that they were charging us shipping charges, like the iHerb was charging shipping charges, and then there were duties and taxes by the service provider. So you have to provide around like 3 riyals to DHL ones, and the UPS charged me 2 riyals for their shipment charge and all of that. So this actually includes all the customs and all the taxes and all the shipment and everything, which is great, which is cool. You get a entire receipt printed out of your order and everything, and the process is relatively smoother. The products are good quality, everything is original. There was this mishandling issue with my parcel maybe that caused all the damage, but I did got my refund back, so that's all that matters. And I hope that this video will be helpful to you if you're looking forward to buying something from iHerb. I will recommend that maybe don't buy many different products at once. Maybe try purchasing a couple of things and then see how it works. But on and all, I think that since all the products are original, I really want to buy all these products. These are literally the things that I researched the hell out of and then I purchased. So I'm really happy now to see everything here, everything that especially is sealed, not open, not leaked, and are fine. And with that, I hope कि आप लोगों को ये video helpful लगी होगी. If you did so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.